Hello, hello. Okay, can you hear me or not?
You. Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, boys, let's start the day. As you all aware of this, we do have a thing called on the screen and 4,000 level weekly pivot, VWAP, FEG and auto blocks. I assume you all been sell now. Another is,
You assumed it correctly.
yeah, so that is simple thing. And don't try to catch 1,000 pips.
I actually no. Like it's a ranging market. If I get 100 pips, more than enough. 50 pips also, I'll be happy. I'm at 25 pips right now, so
25, so what I did was, let me see. Oh, Vijay is here. Hey, Andre, how are you? Okay. So what I did was first I put a sell limit at this 4,000 to be precise because we have weekly pivot plus this VWAP. So that gave me 30-40 pips.
yes.
Then this entry. So now I already caught this one. So then I put next entry at 150 or something. So that 150 gave me now, okay, I'm happy with 45 pips. Okay, almost 50 for me now. Okay.
I am running 40 pips. Yeah, that's nice actually.
Okay. So, and
I'm
then,
break even on the trade actually.
okay, guys, whoever in this trade, move your SL to this high, or you can go break even, whichever come first. So high of this candle is 213, so maybe you can put 250 is your SL and leave it open there. So we do have our NY open 30 minutes ago, NYC at 8 o'clock my time, so that would be next 1 hour. And I hope we can get some pips. Till then, let's scalp here and there. And trading wise, today would be the easiest day to trade ever. And you can just turn on a few indicators, and then this is where we start. Morning, we do have a, let me mark this one first. So Asian. Okay, boys.
Yeah, 60 pips.
So left it right, it might tap to pivot, and then we'll see after that what happens. And even if you mark it like this channel, I think we if I can define it, I think this. So we do have breakout price close back in the range. So that was your entry at 98. It gave us nice money already. So some 80 we would gave from this area overall. But whatever you get, 40, 50, that is also fine. So where was I? Okay. So this was the first trade over here in the morning what I took. So we do have a breakout right here. I didn't wake up at this time. Market shot up, came down around. Okay, so then we do have this here. Yeah. So first I sold from this 4,000 level. It gave me some money. Then it rejected from, hourly order block plus FEG. And then rejected, gave some 100 pips. Again rejected from pivot. That was our entry. It shot up. After that, we took a buy in London. That was this one. Something like, I made this channel, but no. I made this channel first.
No.
Yeah. So
We took the breakout
yeah.
actually.
So then I took this breakout. Then it gave some, 150, 60 pips. Whatever you get from that is good. And then you can even extend this to this area. You also have a breakout here at 98. It shot up, almost 100 pips. And then same story happening. We took a London high, came down, goes back again, tap to pivot. So tap to hourly 200 EMA. That's it. कल भी यही हुआ था, if you remember. Yesterday we had the same story. We tapped to the 200 EMA, dropped, tapped to the 200 EMA, dropped. So same story every day. And from there, from that pivot, that EMA is 200 pips already. And now, even if you could have tried to take this one, hourly breakout, that's your, breakout at 4002. That's the 15-minute order block we took already. So that gave us almost 100 pips now. And somebody talking about news. So,
News is not there.
oh, there's a CAD news. So CAD, everything.
News.
7.1, 7.1, unemployment rate is fine. Then unemployment change is also good. So CAD, this is good for CAD. So maybe then USD CAD must be dropping. Yes. And if that is then CAD, JPI must be shooting.
I closed most of my position at 80 pips.
Nice, nice. So this
I
was.
waited for the week.
Mhm. If market follows the data, then this CAD JPY should shoot up 50 pip SL to maybe a bit more to the upside. But if this is the only moment, then that is fine. But I don't trade CAD, but this is the, what are the other CAD pair? USD CAD, maybe Euro CAD something. So Euro CAD, Euro CAD should also be dropping then. Yes. Well, do you see this is a double something? So that's a double top. Maybe you can wait for a retracement to enter on Euro CAD. USD CAD, we did drop already. Let me draw some line. Okay. So USD CAD have this trend line breakout. So if price come down to retest this area, we can enter on USD CAD just because we have good CAD number. So something like this can happen and we can enter on USD CAD. And then gold is just, okay, let me delete everything now. Gold is at a trace already.
I was just waiting for the wick fill. It as soon as I it filled the wick, I got out. 80 pips, not a bad day to end the week.
Yeah. There must be breakout coming very soon, either side. There must be some indicator of double top or something. Let's find out. Okay, let's see.
There is an indicator for the, oh yeah,
And it also gave confirmation, double top 40 confirmation 27/31. I don't know how to read this, but we'll find it, how to read this. What the hell is this now? Okay, this one. See what a clean structure, you know? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That's a lower high. And let's see
the,
if it goes like this.
if I,
I would say it should be a bullish. You are making lower high and lower low in this market, but RSI says otherwise.
there is a comment asking, please check UJ.
Rachit,
No, Vijay.
UJ की check करना UJ की news नहीं ना क्या news थी.
Yeah, but
Nobody can say no to UJ. Okay.
I can say, I'll say, I don't mind.
Guys have issues, right?
I am joking. Okay.
You guys have issues. So UJ
I do
क्या?
not have any.
अबे विजय तू चार्ट भेज भाई. I don't know क्या देख रहा तेरे को. So UJ what I see we rejecting from कौन सी pivot है? Monthly or yearly? Yearly pivot.
अरे,
We are currently hovering around at this level. So we have these pivot level. Not sure about UJ. If we close below this area, sells good, and if it goes above this area, while. So I'm not going in between. है ना?
yes.
Same with the CAD JPY, if we, oh, too much of it. Let's see. Tokyo, London, this candle looks bullish. It can go up, to be honest, but what's the SL? 43 per SL. But breakout needs to confirm first. Buy some candle closure. This candle still hovering around at this level, so भी confirmation नहीं है. So let this candle close first and then देखते हैं. On this trend line, you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 taps easy, but let's see the closer. And then what else I have? What else? BTC below 100K, it seems. Oh, USD. Wow. So guys, to be honest, not sure about the gold right now. We are at bottom of the trend line. We can either go up, go down, break out होता तो sell पे देखते हैं. Otherwise, just stay on this range. And look at this.
There's a nice channel breakout also, but I am waiting in 1 hour.
So, you know how many times this happened this week? Let's just go to this thing. Okay. So, London haven't taken on the high of Tokyo on Friday for this week. So, Monday we sweep the high, then we drop. After that, we came again, but that's the other issue. So, take out the high, then drop. Tuesday, take out the high, drop heavy load. Wednesday, take out the highs, drop. Thursday, take out the highs, bit later on in around NY, we don't count this, drop. Again, take out the highs, dropped. And Asian,
Wait,
and in Asian, we do have this confirm setup. You'll see a pivot rejection. You can backtest it, but every day, okay, we have time. We can backtest it right away. Start now. So this was
start now. Yeah.
right here. Okay. I done on the pivot. So let's go to. So this is daily pivot of 4007. This is Monday this week. Let's see what happens now. So breakout of a pivot, it shot up something like this. So first one, breakout, came down, shot up. जो आज हुआ था ना यही scene है. Breakout of a pivot
Yes.
and it gave some move. Then you can, now London just got opened. First candle flip bearish. Usually you wait for chop or this, but you can maybe try over here and that was your sell. It dropped.
Monday.
So that's Monday. And now you go to Tuesday. Tuesday you see at pivot 4007. Pretty much sure you'll get a reaction. Okay, so Monday, so
London
Tuesday we tap to this area, pivot, to daily pivot, weekly pivot, clear setup. Again, you can sell from this area, bearish candle, and then it dropped, heavy drop. And this was, remember, this was that 15-minute consultation,
Yeah.
chal raha tha, I remember, and we somehow got out and
Yes,
then
yes.
regret later on. Then you come to 55 pivot level, you have breakout, it will come to retest, and then you'll buy. So again, the same London setup happened. Bearish closure, you can sell here, tap to pivot, and then multiple time tap to pivot. No?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have one more pivot. 66. Already rejection from pivot. You can see this morning star, also the engulfing candle. And this is Thursday.
Yesterday, yeah.
And again, see, it tapped to pivot again. And same engulfing candle right here, same engulfing candle right here. And today, market just opened, short up a bit, came down
And
to
then immediately.
came tap to pivot. That's your entry. 96. From 96, it gave you 200 pips. 96, it went to 14, 15. And then market, that's it. So pivot plus session high and low sweep. Yeah.
Vijay sent you something.
तब तक किसी को चेस में आना तो बोल देना हाँ.
Okay, Vijay sent something on the group. Just check it out.
The कौन सा group?
Share your charts area.
Oh. Vijay mark this zone. $30 minutes, huh?
Yeah. 30 minutes.
हाँ विजय ये है ना जोन अपना you can mark this like this one but इस जोन से ऑलरेडी रिएक्शन आ चुका है बट नीचे ट्रेंड लाइन भी तो है ना तो यहाँ से रिएक्शन मिलता है तो अपन देखते हैं है ना I got something else
We can start just if you want.
Okay, Rahul sent a picture of this. So we have my cousin. So we have a, okay, this looks good. We have trend line, hourly order block, and then FIBO level as well. So if we go to 1 hour, or this order block, this order block, if you draw like this, 61 FIBO order block, yeah, good zone. I'm not sure there's FEG or not. Yeah, there's a 7K FEG, too small, but still an FEG.
You're done with the call?
Yeah, I'm done with the call. Hmm. So where was I? Where was I? So guys, if you look at this CAD GPY, we are about to have a breakout. Okay. And this trend line looks good to me. And if it's a legit breakout, then who is stopping us to buying it? And if this is shooting up, then I think JPY, GJP also going to the upside because for some reason all these pairs go in the same direction. Okay, I'm officially disowning this pair now. So fake out this time, not if, ignore it. USD CAD was nice. So this 30-minute, it's after news, right? It's after news.
Yeah.
So this gave a nice drop of 33 pips. But the other thing, do you want to risk 33 pips for a new pair that we haven't back tested or just stick to gold?
No, I do not want to backtest that.
So राहुल डिस्कॉर्ड में, हाँ भाई राहुल देखा तेरे डिस्कॉर्ड में से थोड़ा लेट है, तेरा चार्ट है ना भाई, ठीक चार्ट है. So only order block that indicator showing is this. Okay. So finally this hourly order block gave some 100 pips. With 100 pips of drawdown. हाँ तो कहाँ था, कोई चेस की बात कर रहा था मेरे साथ.
Yeah, let's play. Like if there is no trade, what else you can do?
We can answer some question, but if somebody have questions, that's the main thing.
Yeah. Conditions do apply. Uh-oh. What do I do?
You gave me a check.
I did. I gave you another check just like that. Another check just like that. Oh no, I am trapped. Okay.
I did a mistake.
What is the mistake, Manoj?
If I move this, then most probably you kill this with that guy. This won't be a very good game now.
Which guy? I got. Why? I did not see it. Oh shit. Oh, oh, oh. You completely fucked up my plan now.
No. There was. Okay, thank God. Now I'll manage.
What? Why? What happened?
No, now I'm not telling you. After this call, you will see. Kill it. Kill the guy. I don't care. Thank you.
I don't see it. Okay,
Yeah.
it's fine. You cheeky little person. I have to bring more people in now. What you have, look what you have done with me.
So let me bring in the Garrett. Damn. I wanted to move this.
What happened?
I wanted to move this fell out of this here. No.
You played. No, you played.
Dude, what the hell? Am I feeling a threat of mate? Yeah, it seems.
Is it? Is it? I cannot see it.
I see it. Okay, let me assess everything. So next move, you will give me a check, right?
No, no, no.
No, yeah, for sure. So if I move this, okay, I have to save my this thing already. So next move, you will give me a check. If I was playing, so you come right here. Then
Okay. Yeah, okay.
then I don't have any option left. I have to move this king to this side, and then because you already have this backup here, you'll kill this and that. I have made. Okay, sacrifice need to mate right now. But dude, if I have only one move, I'll mate it right away. But now this thing is all I need one move and you are done. But okay, boys. It is what it is. And even right now, it's hard to defend.
Yeah. Manoj, what are you doing? You're forcing me to play unnecessary moves.
Oh shit! I don't have time.
Yeah, apparently you do not have time. You thought way too much.
Do you have whole 1 minute left?
I have a lot of time to think and play, but I am an expert at not thinking.
It's just a waste of time then. Nothing will happen in this short span of time.
Yes.
So, alright. Okay.
Thank you. I appreciate all your hard work.
As it shown randomly buy कर ले यहाँ से okay, gold is right here, rejected from pivot, just buy it and get some pips. And but
No. If you want a scalp, that's a very good option.
but even if I go to 5, still not a good time to do those things. But from pivot point of view, from trend line point of view, it can go up from here, and then we'll see what happens after that. But see, it rejected from it respecting this 200 EMA, rejecting from the trend line, and it can go up.
Yes. I did not realize I was on mute when I was speaking, actually.
Okay.
I hope this candle does not close like this. As in, daily does not close in this range. Weekly would be a doji candle, and which again creates a bit more confusion rather than giving a direction.
Now it seems like buys are a good idea.
But do you want to wait for a closure above 4,002? No, 4,000.
No, look at
Wait,
the.
4,005.
Let me find something over here. Look at this.
How do, yeah, how do you want to wait for a breakout of this entire zone?
Breakout will be around at 12. So that's a literally 100 pip range. But
Yeah.
I think if we go right now and buy, let me see what can be done over here. Let me find some nice candle. This auto block just tab right now for the first time.
The 15 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. The previous candle just came and almost tapped actually. Like it just.
Oof. If I force a trade right here, but that would be line, we have three. So maybe 2 more minutes
Again,
we can buy.
why would you force a trade?
Because I'm impatient and I'm greedy and I want to take a trade.
The demon list is completed now.
Yeah. Okay, boys, get ready for a take it. Get ready for a trade. So I think it is same story is happening. We even rejected from the trend line, happening again. We tap this area, that's engulfing at 97. So 770 pips already gave. But let's just say we're a bit late to the party, but we can still make some money. Something like this. Damn, it's 100 pip SL. I'm not going that much. I'm going on this.
On the flip of the candle,
Yeah.
4,004.3
Let me count the amount.
or 5.
4,004.5 is buy step, boys. 4,004.5. Okay, boys, we are active. High profit of 1 pip.
Oh.
But you are only scalping, so just be ready to take partial and reduce your SL, you know. Boys, reduce your SL to current candle low. Then 20 pip SL. Okay, we got 20.
You meant the 5-minute candle low, right?
I close at 20, bro.
5 and 15. Okay.
Boys, I close the trade at 20 pips. Just tiny scalps. Potentially move about to come. We might tap this 13, 14, 15 area and then drop heavily like yesterday. Hope it happens. But let's just get ready. क्योंकि लास्ट NOI के अंदर मूव ऐसे ही आया था. कहाँ था? This was the move, you know. This was the move on New York. Moment NYC came and it just suddenly dropped. Or I think every NY is doing like this.
Yes.
NYC open, dropped. उसके बाद trace हुआ, we don't care. NYC open, we dropped. NYC open, we dropped. So either we are very next level bad luck, or we'll make some money. As usual, the moment we close it, price decided to shoot up. It's not a new, it's not a new thing. It's the usual thing. Okay. You can draw lines anywhere, bro. And whatever makes sense, you can like, see. You can scalp 20 pips anywhere. Like, let's just say we enter on UJ or EuroCAD. You'll be struggling by now. Okay, this is a bearish inter. Okay, done. Draw down. USD CAD, done. Draw down. CAD JPY. CAD JPY is moving nicely. Only thing. So, first thing is gave breakout at 109, 4 or 6 high move, 6 pips. Go to high. I'm not taking this trade, but let's just see if market shoot up based on data. So they should be the SL and target should be around this area. 1 to 3 trade. Okay. Mark. Any indicator on top, any EMA, let's turn on the cavalry now. So 7 more minutes and we might see some moves now. So it seems this trend line breakout
Manoj,
should.
do you think the market conditions are coming back to normal? Like earlier, 50 pip was a normality right now. Right now, also it's coming back to that. Like it was earlier 150 pip, 200 pip.
Look at
Like for
this
the
boy.
order block itself, 1 hour order block also it was 80 pip SL which I've taken.
Yeah. Look at this. So now this was a nice thing. So we reject from trend line, see 3, 4, 5 rejection, engulfing candle, and that gave us 90 pips. Done. But we are a bit late. We only got 20. Any more auto block? No. 20 minutes, nothing. Oh, if this candle close like this, boys, we do have a 16K FEG in 25 minutes, but by then we do have NYC open. Let's see. See the biggest fake out move. So see the volume here is heavy sell. And at this candle was this tiny candle. Nothing is there. So we have some tiny news today as well, this consumer sentiment. See? Never trust the call. Always take partial whenever you have a chance.
So Pratik is saying 5-minute OB scalping can be done.
मतलब कहाँ है 5 मिनट का OB? ये OB बना नहीं है. I think it says on 4 minute. So 4 minute it's a good OB. Look at this. So 4 minute OB, EMA, VWAP, FEG, that's a good call to buy right here. But I don't want to buy just right before NYC.
Yeah.
Thing is, I had a very good day. I don't want to, close my day at a loss and then okay, be great for next 2 days. I could have, should have, would have.
It's not only the day, right? It's a week also ending. So
विजय स्ट्रीम पे नहीं है यार.
no, he's there now. He commented earlier.
अब नहीं है ना.
I am here.
विजय लगा ऐसे कैसे तुमने बोला है.
I think Rachit is not there. You wait for present and it will come. No, he might be busy, then it's fine.
So boys, 30 more seconds and let's see. Oh, see, he's here. So let me.
Rachit did ask you a question before actually. Based on EMA alone, how do you take a trade actually?
Okay,
so if you have the time, I know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, boys. No more questions for next 10 minutes. Hold on. Let's see what happened now. If we do have this breakout, we'll take a trade right away. This thing. Interview will be a bit late. But so NYC just open and see. Heavy volume coming in. And let it break out first. But by looks of this, it seems like it can drop very, very fast. And I think this last move, not this one. I think this was yesterday, right? 9-8. Okay, this is the first candle at 8 o'clock when the moment the market opened. And it dropped. Some retracement, then dropped. So boys, let's just wait. Keep an eye on this trend line breakout. We do have a good zone. If you have a breakout right away, we'll sell. Else, let's just see if we can sell from, like I wanted to sell from this, 11, 12 area. But for that, we have to go there first. And there's a chance we can drop right now. And those who want to catch, 500 pips from 5-minute trend line breakout, enjoy. Enjoy the break even. If you get 20, 25 pips on 5 minutes, that is the best thing. So this is your first breakout. It gave you 37 pips. And see 1 to 1 it gave. So even if you get let's say 20, 25 pips out of 35, fine. But no, like okay, I have to ride this entire move till this here. Okay, enjoy. Boys, I think this is that drop coming. Give me some.
Something should be coming.
Okay, boys, buckle up. We are about to take a trade.
There is no closure or nothing over here. How are we going to take a trade?
I'll go on 5 minutes. I'll take a trade.
But 5 minutes also has to close now.
Did 5 minutes I sell is 100
You are
pips.
right, actually. Yeah, NYC opened, it dropped 100 pips. Okay, guys. Now decide what you want to do.
Damn. See? Where we were? We were just right here. 7. Straight up, literally 170 pip drop. And we couldn't do shit. And Pivot is right here, boys. We have a couple of things.
Check Discord, he told. I am checking. 5-minute OB, as I mentioned on the live chat. Oh. Okay, bro. Pratik actually caught 170 pips. 100 pips at least he would have captured, not 170, but he
प्रतीक को
captured
कहाँ
some.
दिख रहा है order look? हमको नहीं दिख रहा.
Indicator is not showing, I think so.
This one. I like the gambling these days. 500 level 2. पता नहीं है कौन सी भाषा बोल रहा है level 2 level 1. I have no idea, bro. Oh shit, I forgot. We are not on Discord. I'll be on stream. Okay, Pratik is not a gambler, bro. He's a very good trader. He take a couple of payouts, pass couple of accounts. I take back. On Discord.
Nice.
The same story that whatever you guys say, it might not match with my strategy, And that is totally fine, If you are making money, everything works. People do make money with the EMA. Benton would be furious listening to you. Dude want to put words in my mouth, but I can't say some things.
What a tough life now.
But I think we should. Okay, bro, I'm gonna sell gold right now. We'll let this 5-minute close, and we have to take this gamble of 80 pips. Okay.
89.5.
Look at 1 minute. So we are bearish. I think we should drop, bro. Let's see. So boys, 5-minute close. I won't suggest you should over risk, but risk a little. We would have more confirmation below if we close below pivot. But right now, we can easily scalp this area.
It's a scalp only?
Yeah.
Okay.
And again, if things went south, we won't have a big loss. So I only enter with quarter risk. So heavy profit of 20 pips. What is your entry, boys? I got around 93.16. 40 pips.
I took it on the flip of the candle.
Okay, boys, 60 pips. That's all we need. And guys, you know the drill now. What you need to do? You need to reduce this SL to this candle. So now, guys, we are running 70 pips, and I'm looking something. Partial. So I'm closing. And guys, we are breaking on this trade. We got 60. Done. Easy trade, very fast. There is a high chance you guys might see some 60-50 level today. So at least hold some runner. If you survive, fine. If you don't survive, even is a small lot, even 0.01, you'll get some money. And see, 5 minutes is the savior today. And now we are about to close below pivot. Look at this 30. And so we do have a potential trade coming in very soon. If this breakout happens, let it close, and then we can enter on the retest, same entry. So retest would be around the same 93, 94 area. So let it close and we do have another entry very soon. Okay. And let me put this trade on the records.
Sounds good.
Oh, dude, it dropped 96. Okay, I only got 70 on that. So let's record this trade. So in the morning we had a loss. And after that I go in depression. And now this is the new norm that, okay, do one thing. So buy in the Asian. There will be some, what you call, too much consolidation in London, and then you sell in the NY.
Sell in the NY, yeah.
This is the same story from this entire week. Buy in London, pivot rejection, and then you sell from an NY. And NY don't give a damn. Moment it opens, drop. So
I'm waiting for a closure below daily pivot so that I can slightly enter a bit more.
So this is NY. Sorry, this was NY, right? That it is NYC. Market is. I need to put one more thing over here. Market ranging, to be honest.
Market is not bullish, neither bearish. It's a ranging market, to be honest. Yeah.
This one we buy, this one we sell. This was based on so guys, we got 70 people on this. That's a W. That's a W. I got 20 on the last one. So 5-minute plan line breakout. This is also a 5-minute. We enter on the flip. This we enter on the closer. This was a breakout. 5-minute. What time we took this trade, boys? So we took this at 16:35. 20:05. Last. It's IST time, both India time. And the last one we took at 16:17.
I think it will drop a lot more.
Yeah.
It almost feels like it is preparing to drop.
Guys, no need to rush. Let's
Okay.
just wait for one more entry. We'll take a trade for sure. We do still have a time, although this pivot is still holding. Moment we get a closer, we can take a trade. So 15, let this 15 close, and we would have one more trade, right? And then it can drop towards maybe 65, bit more. But NYC typically give us a good move. So what I prefer is somehow we close, go to retest this area, then drop. But sometimes we don't get what we prefer. So we have to deal whatever we get. So I have very tiny runner running on this position. In case we
I have actually closed my trade.
Okay. That is good, good, good. So let this candle close on 15-minute. Let's see if it start to go up first. That is the best case scenario for us. Go up and then it flips, then we take a trade again.
Yes.
And then cover for 100 more pips. Okay. Hmm. Why I have this feeling like we would have same entry again?
I think so. It could surely come back, but I'm just waiting.
Even if we enter right now, that SL will be go 100 pips. I don't want to risk that much of money right now. So, okay, let me mark down that 5-minute entry before I missed it. So, that's it. So now, guys, we only have data of 2 days this week. 2 days I missed the stream and then didn't record. That's not a good sign, Lows and lows. So 15 about to close. Okay, let it go up. That's a good thing. So let it go up, give us a bearish candle again, and
Yes.
then we'll sell the shit out of gold. By then, at the one we come out of book till then. We are out of from the runners. So, and
Yes.
dude, this pivot level is holding too much today.
I think Perfect again entered from pivot only.
The dude has some balls.
That's it.
Look,
If I'm not wrong,
see,
Suraj is also in that.
okay. Nice. So it was nice. You're doing that as well. So I could have buy from pivot, to be honest. But like, I can't explain why did I buy from here? Like, I don't have any logic. Would you like to play with NYSE? No. If this candle flips, then we need to take a buy. Sorry, sell. I'm not in a buy mode today. So let's delete everything. Delete the session now. Pivot we have here. And where is that my trend line? Yes. If we draw this on 30, 15, if we can refine it a bit. So 15 I can define like this. And on 5, if you look at this, let's just say on 5, you can draw it like this right here. We retest this zone, but I need a bearish candle to make, maybe even on 5 minutes. I need some bearish candle before we can sell this, This 30 is also about to close off. Guys, sometimes you have to risk the money, like you can't play too defensive. If you play too defensive, that you'll miss the move. But just make sure it aligns with your plan and just go for it.
I do have a meeting in 10 minutes. I will join the call and be back.
Now, guys, let this 30 close. We do still have time. Let this 30 close and we'll take off trade after that, So if we somehow get a closer like this in next 30 minutes, then expect we can drop to next zone. Okay, let me mark my zones very fast. So this is a good zone. If we had a breakout, so we have, look at this. Resistance, resistance, resistance. If we close below, so close below this, we can go like this. And then this is the daily order block. I don't think that will hold very much. And then we do have, okay, not so good drawing. Then I would mark this area as my next one. So take out, take the support at till 70, we are good then. And in between that would also give us some trouble. 80.
We have 6 minutes. Let's wait.
Yeah. Remember one day we are about to wait for a closer and then the next in last 2-3 minutes price drop 150 pips.
Yeah, I don't want that to happen. No. After 8 minutes, there is 20 minutes. What?
क्या कौन सी भाषा बोल रहे हो तुम?
Though if I am no, Vijay is telling this actually. After 8 minutes, there is 20 minutes. I do not understand.
Water block this.
Okay.
Sometime math, but it is okay. This is a good. So this is a good zone. So maybe we can put a sell limit over here in next sometime. So guys, if to jealous, you know who to blame. So.
Everybody can ping him and say.
Fifteen still, see, we are still respecting this zone. We're still respecting the pivot level. We need a closer below so we can probe smoothly. But somehow I like this 30. Well, you have to make it in, bring some water and then we can. That's it.
Seems like the last few candles are not going to close way too high, but I spoke way too soon.
Dude, you have some issues. So let's see if in this 1 minute we survive all this. 1 more minute. See, if we would have gone on based on this very scared news, we would have wrecked by now.
I think daily pivot actually gave,
A lot.
and this is the same thing happened yesterday also. Yesterday, New York, if you check, yesterday's New York did come and have the daily pivot and then rejected from that and went up now.
Boys, if this is the closer, I don't like it, to be honest. We cannot do
Yeah,
anything.
literally one more minute.
We
Yeah.
cannot do anything on this candle closer. And we do rejected 100 pips. Where was that hourly order block? So hourly order block was, oh, look at this what we did. Somehow London took out the Tokyo lows. Done. Session high to session low again. And I think
It did
price
happen. Yeah.
tab to this FEG. Not mid, but just right at the start of it. So 20-minute order block is no more. But this
Okay,
20
I have meeting. Bye.
minutes. No, I don't know. You're right. It's the same happened yesterday. But my question is, should we go in 1 minute, 1 confirmation trade? अरे but which a retest होगा ना ये? It's like, so it did close like this. Okay, so you don't think. अगर ये ऐसे close होता है तो it would be retest. All you need is some bearish candle now. Maybe on 5 minute, 10 minute. We need some bearish candle. Consumer sentiment is not a, okay, we can have a look at, but it's not a good deal. So 53, 53, 50, kind of bullish to gold. Right. The boys lies hourly close bearish, but is kind of rejection on both sides. If it flip bearish, then we had a good chance to trade. But by looks of it, Seems like we close right at the support level and after rejecting from pivot. So this is the second time pivot gave nice entry. So okay guys, we do have a channel again. So any breakout above we'll buy, and if we came down flip, then we'll sell. So this is the plan. If this happen, entry would be a bit late, but it would be after confirmation. But if now next candle somehow at this area, let's say this candle is bullish now, but next candle came down, close bearish, then we'll sell on that candle. And if we close above, we'll buy. So wait and watch now. Nothing much we can do. We need some kind of closure or maybe 15, 30, 5, whatever. Whatever happens, we have to wait for that candle now. Seven, brother. Yeah, bro, 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hour, rejected from pivot again. Let it flip first. Like, what's the highest of this candle? Let me look at this area. The 4 hour is kind of an decision mode. We do have a range till 7, till 84. So this candle move already 200 pips. All we need some closure. So let any of buyer or seller do their job. Right now we're stuck in this from daily pivot to weekly pivot. And we cannot take trade in this one. We need some breakout to the either side. Look at 30, 32-ish. Like 15. Okay. Dix is dropping, let me check. Okay, yeah, Dix is dropping like hell. If that is the case, then in EU and GU, that would be a bullish, but gold or here shit about Dixie sometimes. So that would be a bullish sign for EU and GU. Look at this. We did miss a nice sell opportunity for some tiny scalps. So for 98 till it gave 40 pips. So we do have 8K FEG, VWAP, again pivot. Good call. Let this candle flip bearish to the downside, or if we go above, we need a breakout above 4,000. So I cannot do much of this. Guys, this 30 seems like flipping bearish. So if this happen, boys, put a sell stop right at this candle. So low of this candle is 92.28. Put a sell stop at 92. Sell stop at 92, boys. If this candle flips, and SL would be around 4001, so it would be a 90 pip SL. Okay, I'm deleting this channel, but any breakout above weekly pivot will switch on to buys. Okay, so something like this happen, we'll switch on to buys. Till then, we are here and let this candle close. 30 minutes still bullish, but if it flips, then we have a high chance that we can fill this week. The SL is 4000 and I'm active. So guys, this is what we are exactly looking for. We do have breakout, we have a bullish closure, we have a retest, and I think we are good to drop now. And let it drop to 86, then reduce our SL to this candle high. But right now SL is 4001. And expect a bit heavy drop if you break the 84 area. Not 84. What's the low of today? Let me check. Hold on. Yes, so once we go below 84, we might see 77 and then the 69 area. So I'm holding the trade till 70. If we drop it. So folks, we have taken the trade. Now I'll update about the trade on Discord. It's Friday. Enjoy the weekend, and that is all for today. Okay.